Talk about a beautiful place. Wow, so different from the coast, but decided to go ahead and make our way out to a different spot here in the park. And this river is amazing, camped right next to the river. That trail coming in here was just so pretty. This place is like a fairy tale. It's that awesome. But we're on the mission to see if we can go find some wildlife. So that's why I'm talking a little bit quieter. We're just out trying to see if we can see any elk. This is pretty amazing. Well, we made it back to camp. Just hanging out. Got to eat some dinner. And the view looking at this river valley is just incredible. A little bit of mosquitoes. Not too bad. Well, good morning. It's just about 7 a.m. Getting packed up. Got all my stuff out. Got to put my tent down. All right, got camp all packed up. And it's time to hit the trail. Kind of a casual, easy walk out until the last like 200 yards. It was kind of a climb to get out of here, but man, what a cool experience. Really happy to have been able to be here. So, see you on the trail. Making the climb out of here. Time to call it a day. Thanks for watching. So happy to have shared such amazing places with you guys. So thanks for following along and being part of it. The sun's probably really bright by me. What a cool place. Well guys, we'll see you back in Utah. See you later.